This is Lex, and today we're going to dance. Today we're doing a combo to 22 Over Soon by Iver, and I hope that everybody can get the combo and we can all have a great time dancing together. For this combo, I want you to think that you're stuck in a room, and you can put whatever story you want behind that, but basically like you're trapped in this room, and this song is talking about it might be over soon, so you keep trying to find ways to get out of the room and to get into a new space, but you can't break through. So think about that and put that into your dance and into your movement and into your storytelling for the combo. As always, be sure to be fully warmed up and stretched before you dance, anytime you dance, to prevent injury and make sure everything goes smoothly. And let's get into it. Here's the full combo.
It might be over soon.
Where you gonna look for confirmation? And if it's ever gonna happen. So as I'm standing at the station, it might be over soon. There I found you marked in constellations. There isn't ceiling in our garden. And then I draw it here on you. So I can speak into the silence.
It might be over soon.
Alright guys, so part one, you're going to start sideways, and again you can mirror me. This combo has a lot of legs, so on both sides, so you can mirror me one way, and you're going to have legs on both sides. Alright, so we're going to start the combo just by establishing our box, or our room that we're in. So
It might be over soon.
Where you gonna look for?
It might be over soon.
Where you gonna look for?
Alright guys, so the next part, you just did your leg hold, you pushed it and the words go. You push. Fifth, where you gonna look, your hands go. Ba, ba, and hold. For confirmation. Where you gonna look for confirmation. Okay? Really try to get low here, and then you're gonna do the opposite and push your knees in, and you're pushing your walls. Push on the music, and then on the next beat, change it and turn out. You're gonna do half arabesque turn, then you're gonna try to do inside fan out of it. But and if it's ever gonna try to collect, happen. Doesn't need to be too high. You're gonna really need to be on your center for this part. Gaga. You're gonna swing this leg, drop, half turn inside leg, and hold it with one leg. Try to hold it, collect in fifth and arch back, and then you run forward. Alright, so that part quickly again goes after your leg hold. Fifth, where are you gonna look for confirmation? Get low, push, beat, beat. If it's ever gonna happen, and push in. Stay on my leg. Fifth, cool. Run, run, run. Okay.
Where you gonna look for confirmation? And if it's ever gonna happen. Where you gonna look for confirmation? And if it's ever gonna happen. So as I'm standing at the station,
Cool. So after your fifth, you're gonna arch back, push, and run, run, standing, drop it. At the look, look, release the head. Hold the leg across. Keep following this arm, and this arm will wrap around. And 1, 2, 3, and push. You're gonna go in, and push it, and look sideways. This look sideways is gonna take you into a kick and a round. And you can arch a lot.
so as I'm standing at the station, it might be over soon. So as I'm standing at the station, it might be over soon. There I found you more There I found you multi-constellations. There isn't ceiling in our garden. And then I draw it here on you. So I can speak into the silence.
It might be over soon.
There I found you multi-constellations. There isn't ceiling in our garden. And then I draw it here on you. So I can speak into the silence.
It might be over soon. It might be over soon.
Where you gonna look for confirmation? And if it's ever gonna happen. So as I'm standing at the station, it might be over soon. There I found you multi-constellations. There isn't ceiling in our garden. And then I draw it here on you. So I can speak into the silence.
It might be over soon.
Alright guys, thank you so much for learning with me, and I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you can do the dance and enjoy it, and thank you so much for watching and sharing dance. Have a good one.